Happy New Year. 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 Thanks. Happy New Year. Happy New Year, bro. Oh, thank you. Happy New Year. Hello mga rider, welcome back to my channel, Rough Rider po. And long time no see. I can't remember when was the last time I did deliveries. Medyo nabakani tayo ng mga ilang weeks. We have not been doing delivery kasi nakarating nga yung festive season. As Filipinos, yung pinaka-special na occasion sa atin ay Christmas Day. And other than that, may New Year pa. Ay nagkataon din sa family member namin, may birthday sa month of January. Sinelebrate din namin yan. At ngayon free na tayo ay pwede na tayo mag-delivery ulit. For today's video, I'm gonna do grab food delivery. Dahil practice mode muna ulit tayo. For this session, I'm just gonna do about 2 hours. Gonna familiarize myself again doing deliveries. So without further ado, let's go. So for today's session, ang gamit nating platform ay Grab Food. At nakapag-online na din tayo. And currently, we're still looking for our first order. Guys, time check tayo. It's 5:21 and we just got our first order. We will be heading to Hillview Link. If I'm not wrong, tama lang yung dinadaanan natin. Let's go straight ahead. So right now, this will be our very first order sa 2026. And this will be my first vlog then. Let's pick up the food. And I'm so excited. Sabi ko nga, we just celebrated Christmas, New Year, at nag-celebrate din tayo ng mga birthday ng aking mga kapatid. Alam naman natin tayong mga Filipino, when it comes to celebrating Christmas, nasa culture natin ang paghahanda ng pagkain para pagsalu-saluhan ng ating mga family. For the past week, I have been eating so much, kaya I feel I have gained a lot of weight. Tama-tama din na hindi na tayo masyadong busy at nakakapag-bike na rin tayo ulit at nakakapag-delivery din, syempre. So, I'm on my way to my first order. Parang hinihingal ako. I don't think I can film here, guys. I think this is a military base. I'm gonna turn off my camera muna. And I don't think it's allowed to film here. So, I'll see you later. I have a feeling na public area naman to. I turn on my camera para makita niyo kung saan ko ipipick up yung first order natin. This will be our first order. Nasa Manifest siya. And our order number is GF096. GF096. Thank you very much. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. This will be our first order na pick up ko na. Bali pala, we have received 2 orders. After nito, pipick up na natin yung next one. So let's go. Pick up na natin yung first order. And our next order ay nasa kabila lang at nasa Starbucks siya. I'm not sure what are the regulations here. If I'm not wrong, isa to sa mga military camp ng Singapore. And it's open for public din siya. And I'm not sure about the regulation kung pwede bang mag-film dito or hindi. It's open for public. May soccer field dito na kung saan pwedeng pumasok yung mga civilians. Let's go to our next pickup. Meron pa tayong oras. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Safe. And this will be our next pickup. Nasa Starbucks, Hillview siya. 686 please. Thank you very much. Happy New Year. Thank you. At ito yung second pickup natin. At pwede na tayong mag-deliver. Sana kasya to. Saktong-sakto. We are on our way to our delivery address and I just realized napakalayo pala ng delivery address natin. But no matter what the distance is, i-deliver natin to. Nice. Ilang days na tayong hindi nakakapag-delivery. Parang warm up din sa akin to. Para magtuloy-tuloy lang yung pag-delivery natin at pag-vlog natin. And the weather today is so good. Medyo may pagka-windy. And I don't think uulan today kasi napakaliwanag pa. Kaya I'm just gonna follow the map. Tamang good vibes lang at sundin lang natin. Ang sabi ng map natin, we have left another kilometers away and 5 minutes pa para makarating tayo sa ating destination. After natin diretsuhin to, we just have to turn left sa traffic light. And parang napakaganda ding environment nito na pwedeng mag-bike, mag-jogging. And look at the scenery, the vegetation on the right, on the left. Talagang fresh air yung nilalanghap mo kapag nag-exercise dito. Here's the traffic light. We have to turn left here and let's go. We are nearing to our destination. It's right here on the left. Hello. What? Akala ko ako yung kinakausap niya. Parang nasa phone lang siya. I need to go in here. I think bicycle are not allowed inside. Iwan natin yung bike natin dito. The order is 096. This one right here. Let's go. Lakarin natin. Hi, delivery. Yeah. 021. Pupunta tayo sa 172. 172 is on the right. Let's go. This is a good feeling dahil nakakapag-exercise din tayo ulit. Parang I can feel na yung mga kinain ko sa nakaraang Christmas and New Year ay nawawala ng konti. Where is 172? Oh, this is 174. Where is 172? Yan, block 172 is right here. Let's go. I'm just gonna leave it here. Order delivery. Let's head to our next delivery address. Let's go.
Nice.
Guys, kaka-text lang ng customer natin. At sabi niya ay yung app ay delivered na pero but wala daw yung pagkain. Parang I might have mistaken the door number kanina. 211 pala siya. I think I have hang the food on 216. Just kailangan natin balikan. This is the wrong one. I apologize. Here you go. Thank you very much. Happy New Year. Yeah. Happy New Year. Settled. Punta na natin yung next order natin. Buti na lang hindi kinuha yung pagkain na hinangko dun sa pintuan. Siguro walang tao dun sa loob. I think I have settled the situation and pwede na tayong pumunta dun sa next delivery address natin. Let's go! Let's head to our next destination. We have to keep ourselves hydrated. Dahil medyo matagal-tagal na din tayong hindi nakapag-exercise. Time check pala tayo is already 6:15. If I'm not wrong, we started 5:15 kanina at nakuha natin yung order natin at 5:21. I plan to end my session today at 7 p.m. Tignan natin kung makakailan pa tayo hanggang 7. So yung next delivery address natin ay nasa harapan lang and 500 meters away. So let's send this and get more orders. Let's go!
Nice.
Thank you. No worries. Happy New Year. Yeah. Thanks. Happy New Year. Nasa the Beverly. This is the one. I have to approach the guardhouse. Hi, boss. Delivery block 45.
Okay.
Thank you very much. All right. This is good. Block 45. Where are you? Ganda naman ng car park na to. Says here that this is block 47. We have to find block 45. 16. Alright, I think it's right here. Block 45, unit 16. Dito tayo. It's open. I'm respiring. Nakadalawang orders pa lang tayo. But that's okay. Ito yung building na direct yung elevator dun sa pinakabahay or dun sa may-ari ng bahay.
Sana all.
Hi, here you go. Happy New Year. And delivered. Right now, wala pa tayong bagong order. But what am I gonna do now? I'm gonna head back to the address na malapit sa bahay. Kasi masyado na tayong napalayo ngayon. So the first order was 3.2 kilometers if I'm not wrong. At pagkatapos nun ay yung second order. Oh, hi. Here, please. Oh yeah, there's a leaf. Yeah. Okay, see you. Happy New Year, bro. Kanina ay 3.2 kilometers yung first order natin and another kilometers yung second order. Napalayo na tayo ng konti sa bahay. Let's head back and wait for a new order. Let's go. And we just received a new order. Let's accept it. Wait, I have to check the address muna. We have to make sure na hindi ito malayo sa bahay. Wait a minute. Wait. Saan ba? I think we can do it. Hindi naman siya masyadong malayo. Sabi ko nga hanggang 7 lang tayo. But as long as yung order na matatanggap natin ay before 7, i-consider na di-deliver ko pa siya. It doesn't matter how long I need to deliver that order. Kahit 7 plus na. Time check tayo. It's already 6:27. At ngayon ay nakatanggap na tayo ng another order and 2 pick up siya. So yeah, I think this will be our 2 last orders for our session today. After I pick this up and deliver the order, i-end ko na yung session natin. Oh, Ajiya Okonomiyaki. Ito yan. Let's park right here. Bawal natin kalimutan i-off yung mag-offline para hindi na tayo tumanggap ng new orders kahit hindi pa tapos yung delivery natin. Hi, can I pick up
Sure. 807?
807? That's
Yes.
right. Thank you very much. Happy New
Bye.
Year. Happy New Year. Bye-bye.
Sana all.
I've checked. I've collected it. So the next one is at Upper Bukit Timah Road. Have I been here before? I don't think so. This is new to me. Bagong location to. So hindi pa ako nakapag-deliver dito before. And our next delivery is at this shopping mall. Lino at Beauty World. I just need to find a proper designated parking space para sa mga bisikleta. And I think I've seen one already from here. Parking space right here. Saw it. Di siya. Oh, okay. I can just park right here. For the meantime, we can just park right here and hanapin natin yung 0105. Raojiang Superior Soup.
Yeah,
Hi, pick up please. 917.
917 here.
Oh, thank you. Happy New Year. Yan, I just got our order. Time check tayo is already 6:39. Siguro estimated time na matatapos tayo ay nasa 7:15. Try natin isend to hanggang 7:15. Yung delivery address ay palayo ng palayo sa bahay. Diretso lang dito. Yung way dito ay opposite ng direction sa bahay natin. Lumalayo tayo. Pero syempre, okay lang yan. Sabi ko nga, we were just warming up. Practice ulit tayo ng pag-deliver at para masanay ulit yung katawan natin sa pag-exercise. Well, buti na lang meron tayong GPS na pina-follow. If not, I have no idea kung nasaan ako ngayon. And one thing good about this delivery address ay diretso lang siya. Wala na siyang paliko-liko. Straight road lang siya. And it's easy to navigate. Time check tayo is already 18:47. Let's try to deliver these orders hanggang 7:15. And we are 1.8 kilometers away. It might sound far, pero nakabike naman tayo. 10 minutes or less, makakarating na tayo. So, let's go. Thank you very much. Is this a MRT station? Hindi. Flyover lang siya. Thank you. Happy New Year. What is this place? This hour of the day, dito yung maraming mga nagja-jogging. And dito sa Singapore talagang yung mga jogging track, kung mapapansin nyo, may mga parang, what do they call it? Parang mga gym sila for elderly. Yung may mga arm bar, sit-ups, pull-ups, and for motion exercise for elderly, yung pang kamay, pang paa, and not extensive exercise. Those can be found here in Singapore. Anywhere, madami din sila. Parang feeling ko hindi ako umaabot sa destination natin. Tama naman siya. Napakalayo nito. Parang yung plan ko na matapos ng 7:15 ay very hard to achieve. Time check tayo is already 6:53 and hindi pa natin na-deliver yung dalawang order nito. We might need more time to deliver these orders and hopefully matapos natin yung session natin before sunset. First time ko lang makapunta dito, parang yung lugar dito, it looks spacious. Yung mga road ay 3 lanes to 4 lanes and wala kang masyadong makikitang matataas na buildings. It kind of feels different. This place is for maybe warehouses, I'm not sure. Or residential area siya, yung mga bungalow and
Sana
private
all.
properties. We are 560 meters away, 4 minutes. Thank you. 6th Avenue. Alright, what is this? What is the meaning of this? Place is 4th Avenue Residence. Tama. We have to report at the guardhouse. Hi, can I do delivery, please? Block 8. Thank you very much. May parking. Kailangan natin bumaba sa parking lot. So we have to find block 8. Okay, block 8 is on the left. Left daw. Daming mga signage dito so hindi ka maliligaw.
Sana all.
And block 8. Let's park right here.
In 80 meters.
We're going to 01.
Nice.
Yan. Ito na yung pinaka-last order natin at nagsisimula ng dumalim. Time check tayo is 7:03. If I manage to deliver this before 7:15 ay napakaswerte natin.
Sana all.
Happy New Year! Thank you. Just have to keep going straight. Okay, Happy New Year, ate. Bye po.
Nice.
Parang aabot tayo ng 7:15 like I predicted. Thank you. Happy New Year. Medyo dumi-dilim na dito. Thank you. Happy New Year.
Nice.
What's the name of the location? Floridian. Hi, can I do delivery, please? I just go down here, right? Okay, bye-bye. Grand finale. Alright, block. Here is the Tower 11977 and I can just park right here. There you go. Push. Oh. Okay. So there's an intercom over there, right?
No need.
Oh, oh, I see.
Go there, that side, you can just press which floor you want.
Oh, here. Oh, thank you very much. Happy New Year. Dito pala siya. Alright. Guys, I just delivered our last order at natapos na yung session natin. Time check tayo, it's already 7:20 and like I predicted, yung pinaka-last order natin ay na-deliver natin ng 7:15. So kanina we started at 5:15 and saktong-sakto nakadalawang oras lang tayo for the day.
Sana all.
And I just checked, we have managed to do 4 orders and we have earned $20.90. Sa session natin, I felt really good. Parang hinahanap ng katawan natin ang pag-exercise ulit. And I'm super thankful sa nakaraang year 2025. And I'm looking forward kung anong mangyayari sa year 2026. So sa mga umabot dito, maraming salamat. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year sa inyong lahat. I hope na nag-enjoy din kayo sa year 2025 and I wish you all a good New Year start sa 2026. And dito na tayo magtatapos. So salamat sa panonood. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. So ulitin, Rough Rider po. Thank you for watching. Ride safe. Let's go.